News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Matt Moore.
Well, on the heels of a chilly, cloudy day yesterday, looks like today there will be some improvements and a little bit more sunshine expected as we go into the later parts of this morning into this afternoon. But until then, we are seeing the clouds around right now. We're looking live from our Harrisburg Skycam. Tough to see the clouds, still kind of dark out as you would expect this time of the morning. Our temperatures, 28 degrees in Harrisburg, feels like 22, northwesterly wind around 6 miles per hour, of course, for the first day of winter, which is today. Not technically until later on this evening, but yeah, we can celebrate that first day of winter for sure for those snow lovers. And we actually have a few flurries moving through the northeastern counties at this time, upper 20s to the low 30s, current temperatures. So another chilly start to the morning, but besides the flurries to our northeast, there's not a whole lot going on. There were a few flurries earlier on, right around Harrisburg, just around 2, 3 o'clock this morning, but a lot of that activity has now shifted off to the east, and we will start to see some drying taking place as this weak piece of energy moves off the coast. Other than that, besides a little bit of rain off the Carolina coast here, there's not a whole lot to talk about for the eastern half of the United States. But then you go to the west and you see on the left side of your screen there, a lot of rain starting to move in to parts of the Intermountain West, also the Pacific Northwest, and that's going to set up a pretty strong storm as we go into around Christmas Eve that could potentially cause some travel headaches for us for the day before Christmas. But until then, turning partly sunny today in the News 8 Storm Team forecast. We have Lebanon train station here in the background. And our temperatures today, pretty close to average, around 40 degrees. Some spots a little bit cooler than that. And as we head into tonight, skies stay partly cloudy, but it will be a calm night. Another cold one. Lows fall down into the mid-20s. And that'll take us into tomorrow. Maybe some sunshine to start the day, but the clouds will get a little bit thicker through the morning, especially into the afternoon. And we will watch for the potential of a little bit of a wintry mix arriving late tomorrow, probably closer to the evening hours, but it'll quickly transition over to a plain cold rain shower. Otherwise a chilly day, 38 to 44 degrees for those high temperatures. And looking at the almanac from yesterday, we really didn't go a whole lot higher than what we were expecting. 25 was that morning low, 34 was the actual high, and as you can see, both of those numbers a little bit below the average, especially that high from yesterday, 34, average is 40 for this time of the year. Did not pick up any precipitation yesterday, but that will be changing, and it's because, like I said, there's a lot of moisture streaming into the Pacific Northwest. 6 to 10 inches of rain possible in some of these areas along the coast. 6 to 10 feet of snow possible in the Cascades with all of this moisture coming in. And what's going to happen is it's really going to manifest itself in the middle of the country as we go into the next couple of days and create that stronger storm. We'll just have to wait until then. The storm has yet to even form yet, but there is another area of low pressure down to our south that will form and slowly crawl up the coast as high pressure moves off to our northeast. But we will see the sunshine later on this afternoon. That's the good news. A little bit of an easterly wind begins to develop as that high moves off to the northeast going into tomorrow morning. You see the clouds moving back in. They increase through the day, and this low pressure starts to bring in some sort of moisture back into the region. Everything's going to be pretty light, but temperatures near the surface may be cold enough that it starts off maybe a little bit of snow, some sleet, before quickly transitioning over to just a plain chilly rain shower for us. And it hangs around through the Tuesday too. Showers and drizzle as we go into the later parts of Tuesday. But then by Wednesday, we'll be watching this batch of heavy rain to move in. Could be a windy, pretty rainy Christmas Eve for us. So the showers and drizzle continue on Tuesday, and then again Wednesday. That's when that more significant storm system will arrive. It will feel pretty mild. 54 degrees, that's what we're going with for the high temperature on Wednesday, but pretty blustery too. See, we could see some wind gusts topping 30 miles per hour easily. Once the cold front slides through going into Christmas Day, we do start to see a little bit of drying out, but there may be a few flurries around on Christmas Day itself. A little colder too, 42 for the high, but it's kind of short-lived. We see those temps bouncing back up into the middle 40s, a little bit more sunshine, and then we'll reintroduce the chance for more showers going into next weekend. So for all those snow lovers hoping for a white Christmas, not going to happen this year, I don't think. Maybe a few flurries on Christmas Day, though.
Going to be a busy, wild week weather-wise.
Right, and especially if you have travel, you're going like driving around to Christmas Eve, you might have to watch for those winds and rain for sure.
All right, thanks very much, Matt.